But out of any of these skins, y'all could suggest some in the comments, cause I'm not gonna make a video on each skin. Cause if I'm gonna be real, I'm not gonna play Sprout. But that's only if y'all want me to. Already know. Wait, no. No! I didn't buy the fucking skin! That was the only GG skin! No. This is the worst day of my life! Rainy day it is. Are we for real? What? Wait, what? Smart thinking. Now that's my girl. Oh my god. Dude, baby Saja, what run? I hope you die. No offense, cause I do not like K-pop Demon Hunter that much. Yes, I thought it was good and but wait, you know what? I'm gonna just put on Meatball Parade because it reminds me of Mexican music for some reason. Guys, I'm not a fake Mexican. Wait, I'm not even a Mexican. Actually, I'm Hispanic, and I know what Mexican is. Oh my god. Bro, Connie is killing me. Smart thinking. Smart thinking, poor version, since I'm really poor. Connie? Connie! What kind of run is this, man? Yo, Connie isn't dead. They said Oshawott is the best starter, which I kind of agree. But that's only first region. I like D-Walk. No. What? She left. Oh my god. You really want me to buy, don't you? I guess you could say. Mickey here. Yeah, I didn't want to buy from you anyways. He finally decided to pull up. This bitch pulled up on me. Bro. Fine. He can pull up on me. Why the fuck did I go over here? Wait, I can explain!